What's up, everybody? I'm back with another tool deals video, and womp 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 womp. We didn't hit the goal of 13,800 subscribers, but I think we'll accomplish that today. But again, I want to thank everybody who subscribed and everyone who supports the channel. I encourage you, if you are new here, to consider subscribing and turn on the notification bell because I don't do this just during the holidays. I make these videos all throughout the year. So with that said, let's go ahead and get into the deals today. Again, I try to keep it short, but it didn't end up that way. So first up, we are over at Home Depot, and we have uh, drills. Okay, so yesterday I kind of talked about the drills briefly, but I went over the impact driver kits that were for $99, and then I showed you guys the alternatives of getting the drill and the impact driver kits. Now, when it comes to Makita, Milwaukee, DeWalt, Metabo HBT, and Rigid, they all have a drill impact driver kit going on, such as this. But Rigid was the cheapest, but everyone else was 149, and the kits varied. With Milwaukee and Makita, their 149 kits had brushed tools, whereas DeWalt gave you a brushless set, and Metabo HBT gave you a brushless set, and Rigid did not. Okay, so anyway, so let's get into this, just the drills today. So just the drills, we have this Makita's $99, 440 inch pounds, and this provides, I believe, 1900 RPM on the drill. Now, I don't know how the ergonomics are on this thing, but Makita's known to have pretty good ergonomics. Milwaukee, $99 as well. Oh, going back, you get a 3 amp hour battery over here charging the bag. Milwaukee, you're going to get a 2 amp hour battery, a drill, charger, and a bag, right? 500 inch pounds here, 1800 RPM. Ergonomics on Milwaukee tools are generally not that great, in my opinion, except for the 2767 20 impact wrench. I feel like that one's good, or maybe just because it's so big and heavy and you can't really tell. Moving on, DeWalt also has their $99 drill. It doesn't give you any specs because that's DeWalt. They're not going to tell you nothing. They'll tell you some unit watts out, and what does that mean compared to Milwaukee and Makita's and Rigids and Metabo HBT's inch pounds? We don't know. I don't know, and there's no real way, as far as I know, to convert this to inch pounds. So we don't know. They're like, just take our word for it. It good. So it good, I guess. 1.3 amp hour batteries. You get two of those. Slightly better than Milwaukee. Well, I don't know. I can't say what it's better because a 2 amp hour battery will likely produce a little bit more power than a 1.3 amp hour battery. But I do appreciate Milwaukee's slim profile. Makita got this big, bulky 3 amp hour battery. It is what it is. Moving on, DeWalt also has this. Don't even worry about this because it's worse. 300 unit watts out, and it's big. Okay, so at least this one is very compact. I don't even think this is brushless. Yeah, I was just showing you this so you don't get this. Okay, if it looks like a big bus, don't get that one. You want this one. You want this one right here. But of course, I'll leave links. This is compact, highly rated, drill. So there you go. Moving on to Rigid. I brought this back up because for it's still the same $99, and you still get a drill, plus you get an impact driver, right? And Rigid does have their lifetime service agreement. It's not a lifetime warranty, service agreement. It reads the same as if they do the same things. The difference is the service agreement, Rigid can deny your claim for whatever reason. When it is a warranty, it is regulated by the federal government. They have to abide by certain rules. Only Metabo HPT has a real lifetime warranty. Okay, so keep that in mind. Now, the impact driver over here claims 1,850 inch pounds. We know it doesn't really do that, but it's powerful. And hey, guess what? It's better than zero because all the other ones come with nothing, right? No impact driver. So not a bad option right here. These are brushed, but still, again, there's nothing wrong with brushed tools. Not a bad option right there. Now let's move on to Amazon because Home Depot doesn't sell Metabo HPT. So you have your Metabo HPT over here, $99. And this provides 620 inch-pounds, strongest so far, and it provides, I believe, 1800 RPM. Yes, 1800 RPM. It comes with two 1.5 amp hour batteries. The thing about these batteries, they do not have a battery indicator on this, so you won't know whether it's going out. I believe there's one on the drill. I don't have this 18 volt drive, the 36 volt variant, and it has it on that. I can't quite tell though whether it has that on the actual drill, but yeah, it's not on the batteries for sure. So keep that in mind. $99 there as well. Lifetime warranty. Honestly, this is out of the $99 bunch. This is the best drill. But again, if you want the overall value, that rigid can't really be beat. Now, I am going to pull this up only because yesterday I didn't. So if you want to compare this to yesterday's tools, watch yesterday's video up here in the right hand corner. Now, this kit is new. This comes with Metabo HPT's new 18 volt batteries, which have the battery indicators on there. So they have the green on the side and obviously the battery indicator on there. Drill and impact driver, but these are pretty weak. 1300 inch pounds for the impact driver, 485 inch pounds of torque. These are also brushed, but this is more comparable to the Makita Milwaukee offering from yesterday at 149. So this, but though their impact drivers were rated higher, I'd probably go this or Makita. Honestly, if you were looking at those yesterday, this price can't really be beat. However, I'm bringing this back up because yesterday this was 149, it's 129 now. So forget these. Even though this comes with the batteries that don't have the indicator on it, again, I'm pretty positive. I know this impact driver has the indicator on the top, and on the side there are the speed settings and stuff. And again, I think it's the same for the battery. I'm pretty sure we see something up there in all the modes. I say on for the battery, for the drill. I'm pretty sure that's the battery indicator there because, I mean, this is where you're going to select all your modes. It's on the chuck, right? So, it should be there. But hard case, two 3 amp hour batteries, charger, and actually a little bit to 129. So again, if you want to compare this to everything yesterday I felt like this was a strong contender because of the lifetime warranty and the better specs. This impact driver does 1800. It's their best 18 volt impact driver, and and it's a really good drill. And this is a hammer drill, so this drill is different from this drill. Okay, this is just a regular drill driver, and this one is a hammer drill. So again, I don't recommend these hammer drills without a handle, and this does not have the kickback feature, the anti-kickback. So, still basically a drill in my opinion, but 129, that's kind of pretty much, I mean, you basically, to me, looking at this or the rigid, but this is going to smoke these rigid tools and performance, okay, and longevity. They're just going to. All right, so moving on back to the Diablo speed bits. Now the spade bits, spade bits. Yesterday I showed you this one, and it does come with a little. Now it's saying with pouch. So actually, the one I showed you yesterday didn't say with pouch, so my bad. But here it is again, 1988. This is a 16 piece with pouch. Unless they just updated the listing because they saw my video, and I'm like, I don't know if it comes with a pouch. Anyway, 1288 for a 10 piece with pouch. All right, moving on. We have this Bosch 65-foot laser distance measuring tool. Now, real high end ones go to like 100 feet plus, but this is 65 feet, $39.97, highly rated. So there you go. Now we also have this gear wrench ratcheting wrench tool set. Now this, I showed you this before over at Northern Tool, I think. I believe it was $89, and it was, again, 18 pieces. They also had another set without the ratcheting. It was like a 36 piece or something for $89. But this is $79, and the ones I showed you before at Northern Tool were 72 tooth. These are 90 tooth ratcheting wrenches, okay, for $79. Good deal there. We have these Gorilla Grip gloves, and if you look, like, these are solid mechanics gloves. I mean, they're not the creme de la creme there or nothing, but these are good gloves. They offer decent protection and good grip. They're not waterproof, but you get, it says 20 pack. Now you gotta be careful because sometimes when they say 20 pack, it means 20 gloves, 10 left hand, 10 right hand for 10 pairs. But this is actually 20 pairs of gloves. So I can't show you. Let me see if it's in the product detail. I was actually in the store. Okay, there you go, 20 pair crew pack. So yeah, it's 20 pair. So that's 99 cents a pair basically for the gloves. Crazy deal right there. These are normally like $5 a pair. Moving on, and we're at the end. It's a short video today. Try to go through them. We have ladders. So we have this Gorilla platform here, $49.88. I don't think we're going to see it cheaper than that ever. I believe 2 years ago, I think it was $29 or $39. I think it was honestly a glitch though for 29. I want to say, but we're not going to see that again. $49.88 for this platform. Very good deal there considering inflation. And then we have this 18-foot multi-position ladder for $99. And here's the thing though, if you want to extend this all the way up, you just want one of those sliding extension ladders, okay? You need somebody that know how to fly to pick this up and place it in place up there because it's heavy as I don't know what. Now you can do it, it's just heavy as I don't know what. Even with two people, it's still unwieldy because it's so top heavy. So but it's great for little things like this, and small. It's great. But when you want to extend it all the way like this, or if it's short like this, it's fine. But all the way, man, it's rough. It's rough to deal with. So anyway, save yourself some grief. If you want this to extend all the way up, don't get this. Get an extension ladder. But if it's for relatively short things or steps, or you really do need the multi positions and stuff, then go on ahead and get this. And you can also use this as a scaffolding, especially in tandem, you see, with the platform over here. So anyway, that's it for today's video. Again, if you get any value from my videos, I ask you to like, comment, subscribe, and join the Facebook group if that's your thing. If you want from the Facebook group and you watching this, subscribe to the YouTube channel. That was part of your conditions in joining the group anyway. Yeah, and I have more people in Facebook than YouTube. Anyway, hopefully this was helpful. See you guys next time.